Hi teacher, my name is Daniela Romero Sicua. Eh, in this moment I am presentation with my life. Mm, I am Daniela Romero, I am 22 years old, I am a police woman, my phone number is 3233270788. I was born on March of 5. I live in this moment. I live in Villeta, Cundinamarca. I like to eat in all moments. It makes me happy when people give me a lot of food, especially the candies. I hate the people that mistreat animal because that is an innocent. I love to go the different activities, in special swimming, and I go the concert with my friends or with my family. I like to dance in all moments, in special with my free times. My family that's composed with my mother and my sister. And my mother she works in the airport, and my sister is a student. My sister she likes the animals, and she has 3 puppies in this moment. He is my boyfriend. He is a policeman, me too, with me. She likes the animal. He doesn't like to read, never. And he lives in Bogota. This is my work, the world. That is a really funny people and a good person. I like to work him. It's an special good. Finally, thanks.